Get your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.
Chapter, you'll learn how to use the Map module in Lightroom Classic CC. The Map module displays the capture location of your photos on a Google map using GPS coordinates from the photo's embedded metadata. If a photo in your catalog doesn't have GPS metadata, you can manually add the photo to the Map module. You can also import a track log from a GPS device if available. It's important to note that you must be connected to the internet to use the Map module. To view photos in the Map module, first choose a source from the Catalog panel, the Folders panel, or the Collections panel. Then click Map in the module picker. Lightroom Classic CC displays a Google map and then plots the capture locations from your photos onto the map. Depending on the number of photos in the source, this operation may take a few moments. You can easily tell if a photo is tagged with GPS metadata. To do this, expand the Metadata panel and then choose the Location preset from the drop-down menu in the panel header. Then look for coordinates within the GPS field of the panel. The Map module environment provides a Google map in the center of the module with panels to the left and to the right. The film strip, module picker, and menu bar all remain in their usual locations on screen. The Map module provides a few features that are similar to those found in the Library module. For example, you'll notice a Map Module Toolbar at the bottom of the preview area in the same spot where the Library Module Toolbar appears. You'll also notice a Location Filter bar in the same spot where the Library Filter bar appears. The Map Module environment can also provide a map key in the lower right corner of the preview area. If you do not see the map key, then choose View, Show Map Key from the menu bar. The various orange and yellow icons that appear in the map key are called preview pins. They represent selected and unselected photos, groups or clusters of photos in the same geographic location, and location search results. You can adjust the appearance of the map to suit your needs. To do this, click the Map Style drop-down in the toolbar. If you don't see the menu, then ensure that Map Style is selected from the toolbar's drop-down menu on the far right side. To display a satellite photo map, choose Satellite from the Map Style menu. To display roads, borders, and landmarks on a flat background, instead choose Road Map from the drop-down menu. To display roads and borders overlaid on a satellite image, select Hybrid from the Map Style menu. To display a graphic representation of the landscape, select Terrain from the menu. To display a light or dark low-contrast image of road map data, choose either Light or Dark from the Map Style menu. There are several ways to navigate the map in the Map module. To adjust the zoom level of the map, click and drag the zoom slider in the toolbar. If you don't see the zoom slider in the toolbar, select Zoom from the toolbar's drop-down menu. You can also double-click a spot on the map to zoom in on that particular location. Each time you double-click, Lightroom Classic CC zooms in further on the spot you click. The zoom slider bar changes to reflect the zoom level as you click. You can even use your mouse wheel to zoom in and out if you have one. If you want to zoom in on a particular area of the map, hold down the Alt key on your keyboard, and then click and drag to define the area you want to zoom in on. When you release the mouse button, the map magnifies and displays the area you defined. You can click and drag within the preview area to move to specific spots on the map. You can enter a location into the Search Map field at the right side of the Location filter bar to immediately go to that location. For example, you could type Paris, France into the search field, and the map will display that location when you press the Enter key on your keyboard, even if none of your photos were captured there. Notice the search result preview pin that appears on the map when you use the search field. To see a preview image of a photo within the map, simply hover over the preview pin on the map.
Like what you see? Pick up your free copy of the complete tutorial at www.teachucomp.com/free.